Hi everyone, this is Lakshman. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to search and apply jobs in LinkedIn. So nowadays, every job seeker is looking for job on different portals like Naukri, Monster, and etc. If you search and apply jobs in LinkedIn, you will get jobs soon because the LinkedIn is such a professional network website. All recruiters, software engineers, software professionals are connected each other. So that is the reason many job seekers are applying jobs in LinkedIn. So here in this video, I'm going to tell the process how to search and apply jobs in LinkedIn. Okay. So first of all, you need to log in into the LinkedIn official website, and then you will see this type of home page, and then you select job icon here. So in this page, you need to search the job here. Wait for a moment. So it is going to updating the site. Yes. So so in this box, you just search whatever you are looking for job. Suppose if you are looking for job as a software engineer, just type it, and also for search the location also at the same time. By default, my location is Hyderabad. That's why it is automatically taking the Hyderabad location. Suppose if you want to apply a job for software engineer, this one, you just go to this option, easy apply. Then you will see this type of dialog box. In this box, you have to enter email, your email address and phone number, and then one more option is there, upload resume. You just click on the upload resume. Okay, then select upload resume, open, and then click on submit application. That's it. So this is the process to apply jobs in LinkedIn. Okay, I hope you understand my video. So thank you for watching.